So on that note, one more time, can we put our hands together, scream loudly as we have Strings taking over for the rest of the night. Ladies and gentlemen, can I see everybody hands together this evening, please?
Good evening, everyone. Do you want to say something?
This is like really dull and feeble. We're hoping for a little more excitement and encouragement, please.
Wow!
Thank you.
Okay. So I know.
So welcome to our maiden performance of Strings. We hope you enjoy it. Just to get the mood going, we have a really peppy, very famous A.R. Rahman number for you. So we're hoping to have... Sorry?
Which is the Arabic Kadaloram.
Okay, so we're hoping all of you would be on your feet, clapping, cheering, hooting, whistling, whatever works for you. Yeah, thank you. Something like that.
Here we go with a bang.
பின்னு மல்லி கொடுத்த பின்னு முத்தம் மீதம் இருக்கு